Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of crypto and finance. And with that being said, I hope that you are all having a beautiful day or a beautiful night, wherever you guys are out there in the world. There was a recent post made by Ripple, and it was regarding the global financial system. And we have the global financial system is experiencing a unanimous increase in demand for stablecoins centered around utility, liquidity, and trust. The benefits of Ripple stablecoin: enterprise grade, compliance first, transparency, liquidity on the DEX. That is a big deal. Liquidity on the decentralized exchange. Guys, let's take a step back first off, and let's start off with that beginning piece there. The global financial system is experiencing a unanimous increase in demand for stablecoins centered around utility, liquidity, and trust. This isn't just a small piece of the financial system. No, this is the global financial system itself is now experiencing a unanimous increase. It's a big deal, okay? And when we look at Ripple stablecoin, well, now we get confirmation of how big this is for XRP and the XRPL. Why? Why? Well, let me tell you. The AMM with on-demand liquidity is going to open up a massive floodgate of liquidity for a stablecoin to be adopted and utilized at mass scale globally in the global financial system. And this all being on the DEX is a huge deal because remember, right? You have those liquidity pools already there, locked in the AMM. On top of that, you have on-demand liquidity with XRP. And then on top of that, remember the stablecoin is issued out on both the XRPL and Ethereum, but I do believe that the XRPL will grasp a much larger percentage of value and volume. Why? Because it is so efficient to transact on. And then guess what? Now we start to see the party really begin because we already know that $11 trillion, that's right, with a T, not billion, was settled through stablecoins back in 2022. We're talking about the year of the bear market, $11 trillion. This is very exciting. Championing the blockchain and crypto utility with Ripple's USD-backed stablecoin. As we look at this, and as we fully break this down in ChatGPT, Ripple is entering the stablecoin market with a USD-backed stablecoin pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar, aiming to bridge traditional finance with decentralized finance. The move is strategically aligned with the increasing demand for stablecoins offering utility, liquidity, and trust. This initiative positions Ripple as a solid bridge between traditional finance and digital assets, emphasizing compliance and enterprise-grade solutions. Leveraging both XRP and the stablecoin in its payment solutions. Oh, wait. Hold on. Wait a second, they're leveraging both XRP and the stablecoin in its payments. Wait, what about Tether? Because we keep hearing this discussion coming up about how Ripple is utilizing Tether in its on-demand liquidity product and not XRP. Oh, well, does that mean XRP is replaced? Because now we're starting to see leveraging both XRP and the stablecoin in its payment solutions, Ripple aims to enhance customer experience and serve as an enterprise use case at scale. The stablecoin will operate on the XRP ledger and Ethereum blockchain, ensuring transparency, liquidity, and multi-chain compatibility. Guys, do you realize how big this is? Outside of just the idea of like, oh, it's good for the XRP ledger, it's also good for Ethereum technically, but that multi-chain compatibility is a huge deal because now you have liquidity, volume, and value coming in from all aspects of, XRPL, Ethereum, and realistically speaking, those liquidity pools are also going to be a big deal because now you can have, individuals from the Ethereum chain, users of the Ethereum chain coming over to the XRP ledger and possibly even, providing ERC20 tokens because again, they could be bridged on both ends into those AMM pools. Like this is going to be a big deal, but also, right, we have this payment solution will serve as an enterprise use case at scale. It's all about scale. This move is expected to drive adoption, development, and cross-chain interoperability in the XRP Ledger ecosystem, contributing to a vibrant decentralized exchange. Again, full focus on the DEX. Overall, Ripple's stablecoin initiative aligns with its commitment to providing compliant enterprise-grade blockchain solutions and further solidifies its leading position in the industry. And, they go over a few other things within here to really kind of spotlight like the, stablecoin market and how it's, rapidly evolving, it's growing, but the diversity of stablecoin issuers is still lacking. That's why Ripple basically became one. You see like the enterprise grade, compliance first, stuff like that. There's a lot of stuff to kind of go over here, but regardless, I really kind of spotlighted the main things. Realistically speaking, as we really look at stablecoins and the growth around them, it's all hinting at the Internet of Value. Over here, Ripple did put out a recent report on April 24th, and this is a growing set of leaders in finance expect blockchain and crypto to boost customer experiences from emerging utility and increasing adoption to regulatory progress. Explore how global payment leaders are thinking about crypto. And here we have transforming the way money moves. And yes, there was a part 1 to this. This is actually Big Ideas part 2, blockchain and crypto in payments. Now we have survey of global payments leaders, 125, 9 global regions, 12 business lines. We surveyed leaders at financial institutions who deliver products and services for banks, credit unions, enterprises, fintechs, and more. We reveal their blockchain and crypto use below, and we have excitement about emerging utility. Enterprises are deploying blockchain and crypto in additional ways. P2P, A2A, C2B, B2B, payroll, disbursements. Big benefits beyond just cost, 58%. Highlight more processing transparency. 56% emphasize faster resolution and settlement times. 55% cite lower cost of international payments. Perceived adoption barriers are dwindling. The following were cited by less than 10% of respondents: unclear benefits, technical investment requirements, and leadership buy-in. Value moving at the speed of data with potentially zero cost speaking for itself. Less than 1% the Financial Stability Board's transaction cost target for cross-border stablecoin payments by 2027. So this is actually very interesting. It's from the FSB. Remember, the same Financial Stability Board that was talking about global crypto regulatory frameworks by the end of 2025. And now they're expecting a less than 1% transaction cost target for cross-border stablecoin payments by 2027. Now we see why Ripple pivoted in the original view of now tapping into a stablecoin. And remember, for those out there saying, oh, but the stablecoin replaces XRP in this aspect, no, it does not. Because this is tapped in with liquidity on the DEX. XRP is still at the forefront of this. We know that it will operate on the XRPL. It will be transacted and settled on the XRPL. And now over here, we have the Financial Stability Board's transaction cost target for cross-border stablecoin payments by 2027 is less than 1%. That means that stablecoin payments will be the dominant force, or at least start to become the dominant force within the cross-border environment. And yes, XRP will be behind it when it comes to Ripple. Regulatory progress, the last adoption hurdle. I've always said it. It's the last major obstacle in the way of achieving true adoption. 64% of those not using cryptocurrencies for payments cite a lack of regulatory clarity, but ambitions are there. Only 28% don't let customers make crypto payments and or aren't considering it. Blockchain and crypto were once tools for back office efficiency. Today, they boost customer experiences. Over 60% found improved payment experiences for end consumers. A growing set expect the technologies to grow their customer base by 28% and increase customer retention by 26%. Enterprises embrace blockchain sustainability. 81% acknowledge the environmental impact of blockchain use. 78% believe low energy consumption in the context of blockchain use is very or somewhat important. And then we also have sustainability efforts are trending up on the bottom. But what's very interesting about all of this is just how rapid the moves are now being made. And I've been talking about this for a bit of time on the channel. Guys, things are happening in a very rapid pace now. And it all hints back what the IMF has been telling us. Why do you think Ripple is such a dominant player in the space? Why do you think Ripple continues to expand? Why do you think Ripple got targeted? I always say Ripple got targeted for a specific reason. They are the first ones out of the door in terms of one of the biggest players here to achieve clarity for something like even XRP. XRP has clarity. Now Ripple is fighting that last battle with the SEC around institutional sales. That is going to, that's going to be behind us very soon, in my opinion. And once that is, there's no stopping Ripple, and there's no stopping the XRP ledger and even XRP from growing tremendously. But the big thing to focus on is what happens next. Well, in my opinion, we already have it here. The global financial system is experiencing a unanimous increase in demand for stablecoins centered around utility, liquidity, and trust. We are about to see the global financial system be disrupted and revolutionized through blockchain solutions, stablecoin solutions, you name it. And the best part about this is we already have over here from the FSB that is talking about cross-border stablecoin payments by 2027 becoming a big deal. Now, outside of this, over here, April 26th, big shout to 801_XRP, IMF central bank digital currencies in the Middle East and Central Asia and Georgia, where the focus is on a CBDC's potential to promote financial inclusion. The central bank has been actively researching CBDC capabilities, design, and potential use case since 2020 and officially launched a limited access live pilot of the digital lari with Ripple Labs through the cutting-edge Ripple CBDC platform, National Bank of Georgia 2023. However, the National Bank of Georgia is still evaluating whether it or PSPs will record transactions. In addition, a set of technology-related operations will also be delegated to the selected technology partners to act as a bridge between the central bank, PSPs, and other third-party product and service providers. National Bank of Georgia. Now, I would go in depth on all of this, but realistically speaking, what I just read is the gist of it. They are talking about how the benefits of CBDCs could definitely have a major impact on monetary policy and also even the monetary system. But we already kind of really focused on a few of the major benefits here. But one thing to really kind of take from all of this is that this is the IMF citing a specific use case in which Ripple plays a vital role. We know that the CBDC platform also does have access to XRP, the public XRP. That's right. We're not talking about fake private XRP. Like, that's all nonsense, guys. Anyone that's telling you that there's a private XRP is just ridiculous. This is all providing exposure to XRP. We know this because Ripple wants to bridge CBDCs with XRP. We already know this. That's why we look at the bridge between these major things. But the reason why I'm bringing this back up is because I want to talk to you guys a little bit about everything that is happening around CBDC, stablecoins, tokenized things of value. Go and look at what the IMF has been telling us. This is June of 2021, a new era of digital money. And again, this is written by Tobias Adrian and also Tommaso Mancini, Grifoli. Digital forms of money could be a boon for emerging market and lower income economies if the transition is well managed and regulated. Regulations are the last obstacle. And then over here we have, and this is just recent, February 23rd, 2023, technology behind crypto can also improve payments, providing a public good. A new kind of multilateral platform could improve cross-border payments, leveraging technological innovations for public policy objectives. And then and by the way, this is with the Financial Stability Board. I want to just put a focus on that. Now, also, we have this, reimagining money in the age of crypto and central bank digital currencies. The recent plunge in crypto assets has left investors numbed by losses and surely in doubt, but the future of money is undoubtedly digital. When we look at what the IMF has been focused on, it is clear they want to usher in the digital age of finance and payments. Even over here, January 5th, 2023, why we still need cryptocurrency for an internet of value. This is from the World Economic Forum, guys, addressing the internet of value. And you know what's funny about this? Look at the three key things. Unlock new use cases in finance that aren't currently possible due to the illiquidity of traditional assets, aka tokenization. Increase transparency and foster more direct relationships between sellers and customers. Bring decentralization to the business world by enabling community ownership. This inflection point for crypto comes as our broader economic systems face headwinds and uncertainty. You seriously cannot make this stuff up. And this is from the World Economic Forum. And remember, with the IMF, imagine this. The IMF is one of those organizations tied to the World Economic Forum. And you could even see some of the things that they have been talking about over here in terms of the topics. And one of them is even the fourth industrial revolution. And we know recently there has been a lot of major updates regarding the fourth industrial revolution. But ultimately speaking, all of this is catering to the idea of the new era of digital money, aka the internet of value. And remember who is at the forefront of the internet of value and also the one transforming the way money moves and has been focused on this for well over a decade now. Focus on what matters. Rapid change is coming to the global financial system. And yes, Ripple will play a key role, in my opinion. I have zero doubt about that. And again, focus on those connections. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys want to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.